So you set up a Minecraft server to play with your friends on, and you've noticed that the performance of the server is, to put it lightly, not great. Blocks take a long time to break, sometimes blocks don't place for a couple of seconds, among other issues. Many of these issues can be fixed with some performance mods for Minecraft, so let's install some. The first thing we want to do is make a backup of the already existing server. To make a backup, simply right-click on the server folder, copy, and then paste. We're doing this because we don't want to add in a mod, then have the world get corrupted. Now that we have a backup, we're going to go to Modrinth and find the mods that we want to install. The mods we will be using are Fabric API, Sodium, and Lithium. These mods are great for performance on single player, but they also work on servers and do the exact same thing. The first mod that we need is called Fabric API. This mod is going to allow the other mods to essentially communicate with the Fabric server file. To download the mod, click on the name, then go to Versions. In versions, we need to find the most recent release version. The release version indicates the version that is an official release and not in the beta or testing phase. The release version will typically be more stable than the beta versions. Once we have the Fabric API downloaded, find the next mod, which is called Sodium, and do the exact same thing that we did on the Fabric API. Then find Lithium and repeat. Once we have all three of these mods downloaded, we need to download the Fabric loader for the server. To do this, go to fabricmc.net, linked below, then click Download, then Download for Windows. This will download an exe file that we will run in a few moments. Now go to your download folder and double click on the fabricloader.exe file. With the Fabric loader open, click on Server, then select the correct version of Minecraft for your server. Mine is 121.1. Select the most recent loader version. Under Launcher Location, click the three dots on the far right, then find where your server files are installed. In my case, they are installed on my desktop in a folder named Server. Press Open. Click the Install button. Then a window will pop up saying that the server was successfully installed. Since I already have a valid server.jar file installed in the server folder, I don't need to download the official server again. If your window indicates that the server.jar file is not installed, click on Download Server Jar. It should automatically put it into the server folder for you. Next, click Done and close the Fabric Loader window. Now we need to modify our start.bat file. Right-click on the start.bat file and click Edit. In Notepad, you should see the server startup commands. What we need to change is what jar file the start.bat is trying to access. It needs to be changed to the fabric-server-launch.jar file so that it will run the Fabric server file instead of the vanilla Minecraft file. Replace the name of the vanilla Minecraft server.jar file with the name of the Fabric server jar. Then click Save. Now we want to make sure that the server is going to start correctly without any mods installed. Double click on the start.bat file and the server should start as normal. Now that the server is started, we can close the server by typing stop in the command prompt window. In your server folder, we want to find the mods folder. If there's not already a mods folder present, create a new folder and name it mods. Open another File Explorer window and go to your Downloads folder. Move the Fabric API, Sodium, and Lithium jars over to your mods folder. Start the server once again, and you should be able to join the server as normal. The performance of the server should have improved quite a bit after installing these mods. It is still possible that the computer the server is running on isn't good enough to run a Minecraft server, but I would still recommend trying other performance mods as well as these ones to see if there can be any more improvement. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, I would appreciate a like on the video. Bye for now.